Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are sharing 15 elegant one-tie cake designs. Small in size but full of grace. These cakes are perfect for when you want to something classy, clean, and simple, beautiful. Next, first one is white buttercream with gold leaf. Smooth buttercream in pure white. Touch with scattered edible gold leaf for a soft luxury feel. Simple and timeless. Blush pink with fresh roses, a soft blush tone cake, topped with a few fresh roses and a matching base border. Romantic and gentle. The next is pearl line minimalist cake. A clean cake decorated with tiny edible pearls along the base and top edges. Understated beauty. The next is white and eucalyptus cake, accent cake, decorated with a small blush of eucalyptus leaves and ivory roses for an earthy and elegant look. The next is monogram topper cake, a plain white cake with a gold or acrylic monogram of couple initial as the centerpiece, personal and polished. The next is ombre lavender mini cake, a soft ombre with white to lavender with silver pearls or subtle sparkles. The next is semi-neck rose topped cake, a slightly frosted buttercream with a single large rose and a minimal greenery. The next is gold rip white cake, a smooth white base with a delicate gold rip finished with white macarons or flowers. The next is texture based buttercream with florals. Soft spatula texture on buttercream with two-tone blooms, modern and simplicity. The next is one bloom center cake, a completely smooth cake with one statement flower placed right in the center. The next is dusty blue cake with white accent. Dusty blue buttercream with a sugar flower or fondant bow on top. The next is marble fondant cake. Subtle white and marble fondant finish on no extra decoration. Pure artistry. Crown topper mini cake. A dainty cake topped with a mini golden crown perfect for bridal shower or green queen themed events. The next is minimal floral worth cake. A small floral worth wrap around the top base or top. Soft and balanced design. Light, airy and fresh. The next is clean white with stain ribbon. A smooth cake wrapped in real or fondant stain ribbon tied with a bow. Whether topped with floral pearls or just pure texture, one tie cake can be where every bite as elegant as tall one. Sometimes simplicity is the boldest style. If you want to style your one tie cake like a pro, try these tips. Use a mini cake stand in gold, clear, or marble. Place the cake on fabric like velvet or chiffon. Add a few candles on or flower petals nearby. Use soft lighting for the luxury look. Which cake was your favorite? Drop the picture or name in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. Share this video or take the screenshot of any cake which you like the most and share with those brides, bakers, or anyone who loves small, elegant cakes. as sweetness is not inside the cake, it is inside in your heart, and you share that sweetness with others by baking a beautiful heart cake baked by you with your heart. So share happiness and sweetness of yours that is lie inside you with others, with your loved ones, so you can live happily with them a sweet life as like a sweet beautiful cake. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.